Hey guys, welcome to my first video, and today we're gonna do some Watch Dogs. I'm Crazy Bro, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this. So right now, I've got my little brother here and his best friend from that he's online with right now, trying to defeat the police.
Holy strip from the underground. Whoa,
Whoa!
whoa.
Anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this.
Which gate though?
Come on, when are the police gonna come?
We have been killing lots of them.
Oh, there's police. Bam, 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 bam.
I freaking got a headshot and he's not dying.
What the hell? It looks like that guy's gonna rape himself.
Yeah, these guys are crazy drivers, just saying.
Oh, you guys, I consider playing Watch Dogs if you like guns and killing people and doing reckless driving. Pretty good game for you.
And if you play free roam, just letting you know, if you're gonna fight the boss in this area, there's gonna be a lot of cars coming in and smashing. It's up in this top corner. All you need to do is attract the police and bring them over here, and then you or one of your friends or 2 or 3, you can bring them down here, and you guys can fight the police like me and my friend.
But yeah, also my brother, and he's got 2 other friends. They'll be in this, like, in my videos every now and then. But they'll all pretty much be me.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the entrance where they come in.
SWAT team!
Oh, SWAT team!
Ah, frick!
Oh, he just died! Oh, that means if your friend dies.
I got ran over. That's so unfair.
Oh, what are you gonna run over?
And died.
You can hurry it to your friend, or if he dies, game over.
He's got a name in though.
You true that, Blade. By the way, my brother's friend right now is Blade. But yeah.
Yeah, his real name on PS4 is Xander Cage, so just call him Xander Cage.
Yeah, Xander Cage, and yeah. And my little bro Skull for now. And just call me Crazy. Or Bro.
Whee!
Or Crazy Bro, whichever one you like it. Oh, smashed in the head. Oh yeah, and that's my brother's friend Blade. And you'll see him quite a lot.
As he was saying, is if you send him a friend request, so his name's Xander Cage. If you send him a friend request, yeah, Xander Cage 07 00.
007.
Yeah, Xander Cage 007. If you send him a friend request, if he says yes, you're lucky. If he says no, then you're unlucky.
Yeah, and my brother's is Skull Crusher /red. Dash red. And mine will be Karate Kid _blue. Just to let you guys know.
That's if you ever want to make friends with us.
Yep.
Oh, there's a chopper. Get to the chopper.
Oh, chopper.
Oh, we shot the chopper. Bye-bye, chopper. 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Oh, motorbike cycle. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Gonna run them in the head on something, or run them over like they did to you?
Interesting story.
How's that guy still alive? Oh, never mind. Jesus, so many police cars there.
Kill the driver.
Think you already did. Oh no, you didn't.
He's dead. Yeah, there's so many because we're technically killing all the police cavalry. And if we just started from the very start, you probably won't be able to see this whole entire thing. So technically you would only see half, no, even quarter if we started from the very start. So it wouldn't be as much chaos. Oh, squad team!
Oh, just got run over!
I got killed again by getting run over.
You gotta hurry back to your teammate.
Oh, indeed. Or did you die? Freaking hell, Blade! Blade died.
Alright, so my brother's friend, Blade, who just died, so they've lost the mission.
And I can show you guys one of my cars.
Alright, this is one of his cars, and I think we'll end it from here.
This is what it looks like. But this is probably one of the cars I don't... Oh, shut up!
What did Blade say?
Blade says I look like a fat old man. Yeah, these online people don't show you the true faces of...
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this first video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!